How to add two photos in Instagram story in iPhone. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your Instagram application and it will lead you to your homepage, right? Now on the bottom part, now what you want to do is to create an Instagram story. So all you have to do is to go here to your story on the up to your here on the upper left, you will see your story icon. Tap on plus sign there and it will lead you to camera and choose the photo that you want to add first. So let's say I want to add this photo first. So here you have one photo. Now to add more photo is on the upper part. You'll see the sticker icon there. Tap on that and scroll down up until you see this circle here where you can see your gallery. Tap on that and you will be led to your camera roll, and basically you just have to choose the photo that you want to add. So let's say this photo here, and then add more, and basically tap on the your story on the upper lower left there. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.